How's it going, guys? Welcome to Crafting Cars. Today, you might be wondering, Gideon, why is there a go-kart frame in the garage and not a car? Well, all the car parts that I want to get now are all very expensive, so while I save up money for that, I figured I'd bring this little toy out. This is a product that we've had sitting around my house for a while now, so I figured now would be a good time to pull it out and start chugging away on this thing. We got a lot to do to it and a lot of parts already here waiting for it. So, quick overview. Here it is. It's just a go-kart chassis frame that we got for one of our buddies. He used to have a NASCAR style body, fiberglass body on it, but that's long since gone. We're just kind of running an open wheel setup here. So we got some lights here that we threw on when we were first working on it. Throttle and brake and stuff. It's just got a drum brake in the rear, a lot of stickers and stuff. And then we actually ran, since we're running a Predator motor, the one that we were running had a automatic start, so we were using this to start her up, and then the kill switch, obviously. Yeah, so we made this aluminum bracket so we could keep an eye on our voltage. So we made sure that we had enough power to start her up. We had some LED lights on here, and those are going to be all getting tore up and taken off. As you can see, the wiring, not so good. My buddy Ashton and I and our other buddy Mike, we were all building this while we were going to school full-time and working full-time, so we definitely cut some corners. This is what we call a redneck build for sure. So we're going to be cleaning up all of this, possibly a chassis respray, repaint maybe, we'll see. And then this is what we have for a power plant right here. This is the old one. Afton gave it to a high school class that they go through, learn on it and rebuild it and stuff, and ever since then it won't run. So we're going to be using this one, but that's okay because we have some parts here. This is a fresh Predator 212cc engine. As you can see, we already kind of been doing some work on it and stuff. So yeah, like I said, 212cc, and we got some performance parts on it, or for it, I should say. Inside this box, I believe, is, yep, so this is a new camshaft. So we're going to be running a little bit more aggressive cam on this bad boy. And also on top of that, to kind of go with the bigger cam, I have a new rod and cylinder for it, so you can run a little bit higher compression. And one thing that Ashton and I have already done is we pulled off the rev limiter for this bad boy. So I'll be showing you guys all that. We'll be tearing into it. We're going to be running a different exhaust on it. Be running that straight out the back. Here's the connecting rod for her and stuff, and a couple other things we have. This blue thing here, I 3D printed this on my 3D printer a long time ago. Just a little adapter. As you see here, it connects, it'll bolt right up to the carb from the inside here, but then it changes it to a 3-inch circle, so we can run a cone filter on it instead of having to run the factory air box, which is chunky, restrictive, and just doesn't go with the performance look that we're really going for here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I know this isn't the most exciting episode, but believe you me, I got a new workbench coming. So these two are going to be going away, and the new one's a lot nicer, and I'm going to be able to take the motor, lay it all out, and do the build as we go. So we got that. Like I said, if you guys think we should do a respray on the frame instead of black, maybe going with something else, like World Rally Blue is what Afton and I were kind of thinking and talking about, and Subi too. And then I want to run some thicker tires because these are real narrow boys, so get some actual go-kart tires on here. We're going to be converting it from this brake shoe brake setup, which doesn't work very good. It doesn't stop. converting from that to an actual disc brake setup, hopefully front and rear. We're gonna be doing a little bit more aggressive steering because the steering doesn't go very far, so you have a tendency to crash and you can't quite turn as sharp as you want. And who knows, maybe also solid axle on the rear so that both tires spin. Right now it's just a one wheel wonder. So with the amount of power that we're gonna be pushing out of this bad boy right here, we're gonna want all the hookup we can get. So not a very exciting video, guys, but just kind of showing you what we got and kind of what's coming up as far as my side on this while we wait for the funds to get some new parts for this car and also the Sonic coming up. So appreciate you all watching. Hopefully this is something that you guys are interested in. Let me know if you have any ideas for stuff to do on the go-kart or stuff to change and whatnot. So until next time, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.